On the second page of Lesson 16's homework, it says, a table and 8 chairs weigh 235 and 68 hundredths pounds together. If the table weighs 157 and 84 hundredths pounds, what is the weight of one chair in pounds? So let's look at the total weight. The total weight is 235 and 68 hundredths. And we're going to subtract how much the table weighs. So we're going to subtract 157 and 84 hundredths. This will tell us how much all the 8 chairs weigh. So we're going to take 8 minus 4, 4. We can't do 6 minus 8, so we need to borrow from the ones place. Change the 5 into a 4 and add 10, so the 6 becomes a 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Remember to bring down the decimal point. We can't do 4 minus 7, so we need to borrow from the 3. And we're going to borrow 10 from the 3 and make it into a 2, and add 10 to the ones place, so it becomes a 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. We can't do 2 minus 5, so we need to borrow again. Change the 2 into a 1 and add 10, and it becomes a 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So the weight left over for the 8 chairs is 77 and 84 hundredths pounds. It doesn't want the weight of 8 chairs, it just wants the weight of 1 chair. So we need to take our 77 and 84 hundredths, and we're going to divide it by the 8 chairs to figure out what 1 chair will be. So bring up your decimal. We can't do 7 divided by 8, but we can do 77 divided by 8. And we know 8 can go into 77 9 times, because 9 times 8 is 72. We're going to subtract. 7 minus 2 is 5, and 7 minus 7 is 0. So we're going to go ahead and bring down the 8 and see how many 8s can go into 58. And we know 8 times 7 is 56. And we're going to subtract again. 8 minus 6 is 2, and 5 minus 5 is 0. Go ahead and bring down the 4. And 8 goes into 24 3 times, because 8 times 3 is 24, and it goes in perfectly. So the weight of 1 chair will be 9 and 73 hundredths of a pound.